Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see 10 small and easy good thoughts. You can use these thoughts in your school assembly. So let's start. Number 1. Don't stop until you're proud. Number 2. Be brave and face the world. Number 3. Stop dreaming, start doing. Number 4. Don't waste your time. Number 5. You're doing great, just don't give up. Number 6. I can and I will. Number 7. Success will never come to you. You have to go for it. Number 8. A winner is a dreamer who never gives up. Number 9. It's going to be hard, but hard does not mean impossible. Work hard, dream big, and never give up. That's all for today. Hope you all like these 10 best thoughts for school assembly. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.